Hello everybody, this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so let's get start this video. So dear friends, now I'm going to in our paddy field because paddy field after long time I can't hear for paddy field. Okay, so now I am going to in our paddy field and visit our paddy field. Okay, so you can see this is the field in our behind side village, and in our village behind side this paddy field, and now I am walking the field. Okay, so this field actually all around side not any crops, and another side this is the another person paddy field, and our paddy field after next paddy field in our paddy field. Okay, so now I am going to our paddy field so I can share with you our paddy field. And so dear lovely friends, what can I say? I can't actually, I'm at a loss when I video start and video making start, and that time after making video, before video making, and that time so many English vocabulary and so many topic mind actually, and after start English blogging video, and then our vocabulary I unfortunately forgot. So this is the problem, beginner learner. So I also beginner learner and English crazy learner, and so that's why our vocabulary I unfortunately forgot. And what can I say? And unfortunately I'm at a loss. So this is the big problem for me, and not only me, I think this problem and another person and everyone this problem face when you beginner learner. Well, I am a very crazy learner for learning English. Okay, so dear friends, now actually already I have come our paddy field, and so as we can see this is our paddy field. So look like very amazing. So you can see, wow, very mesmerizing, very green. So my back camera open, and you can see this is our paddy field. So look like very green and green all around side, all surroundings actually a green environment. And this is the big hill, and you can see my camera zoom, so you can see, wow, very nice. This hill actually 3 kilometer distance in this location and those hill. Okay, so oh, very nice. Okay, so dear lovely friends, you know my mobile actually camera not for good quality, and already my mobile 2 years complete my mobile when I buy, actually when I bought my mobile. And I think my mobile not for good quality and camera quality not for good, and I have decided I will buy on mobile for very good camera quality, I think one mobile I decided. So thank you. Bye bye.